Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Media Creation Club. Today we are going to fix the Clynderlic lock. You can see here the lock. It's already broken, so we are going to fix this one. As you can see, the hole is already done. So how you can fix this one? I will show you the step by step, so you can learn. So actually my camera is unsuitable for this video, but I'm recording to show you how. So this is the lock I buy. So you can see here. Actually, how to open the lock is you can find out here this small hole, and then there is a pin. Already, if you buy the new lock, you can get the one pin to push to take out the lock. For example, I'm going to show you. There is a pin. This is the pin. So if we got this pin, we can insert this small hole, and then we will push like that, and then we can pull out this lock to fix in the door. So I will show you how, because I'm not using the tripod. So I try to find a tripod to fix a camera because I'm alone in the house, and then suddenly my lock is spoiled. So that's why I want to change the lock. So I just think make a video on that topic, so you also can learn if you are facing the problems like that at home and then you want to fix by yourself. So this video is going to help you. So now the first step of the lock, we fix this thing first. We have to fix this one first. After we fix the round Clynderlic lock, so we fix here, you can see, and then after you put the screw first. Currently I am in the China because the business purpose, but in our house got this issue today. That's why I know how to fix. Then I try my best to create a video, so it will help the people to learn. Now the second is we have to fix the inside the lock. Then after that we will fix the outside part. So for the inside part we need to open the lock, and then I will show you how to use, because now I'm using the tripod. So now here is our main part to learn. You see this key, you can find out, and then you can find here the one pin. You can see here the hole, if my camera can show you. Then if you press this one, genuinely you can see this one easily can go out. So that is the basic part to fix the Clynderlic lock. And then after that we have to remove the part, this one, so we can insert this lock. So now we have to insert the lock in the door. Now one thing you have to learn, you can see this part is actually the controlling the lock, and then you can see here the pin. So this pin, the inside pin, should inside this one. If you put like that, if you insert like that now, and then you should try to close the lock. You can see this one. If it's working properly, so your lock is okay. So now we have to put the screw from the back, so it will hold the inside part. So we have to fix the screw to hold all the lock. Actually my English is not native, so I try my best to get the international viewers. That's why I just make the video in English, because my channel is already in the English content. So that's why I try my best to, how I can speak, I just teach. So the basic purpose is share my information to viewers. Now this part will hold the whole lock. Then here got two screw we have to fix. This screw all come with the lock. If you buy the new lock, it will come with the lock. For those who commenting in my videos that my English is not good and then not best on grammar, for that viewers, I'm just telling that I'm not teaching here the grammar. What I have the knowledge, I just sharing to teach the people. So please ignore my English if it's not good or not based on grammar. My purpose is only teaching the people how they can solve their issues. Now the screw is already done. We have to put the cover, and then we close, and then I let you know. So this is the last part. We just put this one. Then after that, you can see here this side and then that side. You have to follow the edges here and then just press like that. Then you just move around so you can fix the lock. Now if we lock here, okay, it's working perfectly, but I need to tighten some more. Okay, now it's working perfectly. If I can show you. Now I try with the key. Now for example we lock and then you can see we cannot open. Then we try with the key. Now the key is working properly. So we try again there. Okay, now we open with the key. Okay, so it's working perfectly. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for the new updates. See you in the next video with the new updates. Thank you.